Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. And in this video I will be telling you guys how you can get the Google Discover or the Google feed on the left swipe of any of your Xiaomi devices. As you can see, I have two different Xiaomi devices for this reference. Just to tell you guys that this method works only on Xiaomi devices running on Android 8 and above. As you can see on the right, I have a smartphone running on Android 10. And on the left hand side, I have a Xiaomi device which is running on Android 6. As you guys can see, this is the legendary Redmi Note 3 device. This method does not work on Android 8 and below. So what we are going to achieve in this method is that we will be installing an application or a launcher with the help of which we can get the Google Discover feed on the left swipe. So the first step in the process is to go to the Google Play Store. So when we go to the Google Play Store, in the search box, just type CPL. Customized Pixel Launcher. So when you type CPL or Customized Pixel Launcher, this is the launcher that comes up. Just hit on install and wait until the application gets installed. So once this application CPL launcher gets installed, what we have to just do is swipe on home. When we swipe on home, it actually gives us a prompt like this. When it gives a prompt like this, what we have to do is just click on remember my choice and select CPL. That means you are setting your default launcher to the CPL launcher. In case you guys accidentally skip that step of setting the default launcher as CPL launcher, what you have to do is just go to the settings of your device. In the search box, just type default launcher. As you can see, there is an option called default launcher. Just click on that. And in the home and recents option, you will get the default launcher option. As you can see, there is the two different options. Instead of setting system launcher, you have to set CPL. That means you are setting the customized Pixel launcher as your default launcher. So the next step in the process is to long press on the home screen. When you long press on the home screen, on the bottom portion of the screen, you will get these four options. That is wallpaper, icon pack, widget and home settings. Just click on home settings. Since we have set the customized Pixel launcher as our default launcher, it shows these number of options. This is the settings of the Pixel launcher or the customized Pixel launcher. Now what we have to do is we have to just search for an option called Google Feed. As you can see, there is an option called Google Feed to the left of the main home screen. Just click on that option and it says you need to install or update CPL feed plugin first. Just click on this option, get CPL feed plugin. It will take you to a GitHub page where there is an option where you can download the CPL feed. Here is the most important process. As you can see, this is the GitHub link. I have given this link in the description. If you guys just go through this particular video completely without skipping, you will be able to do this process easily. And when you land on this GitHub page, just click on this option called assets. Depending upon when you are watching this video, this assets will be updated. Just click on this option called assets and just find this APK called cpl_feed_plugin.apk. So this is a very simple process, guys. Just you have to find this CPL feed plugin.apk. Just click on this. It will be asking you to download it, and you have downloaded the CPL feed plugin APK successfully. As you can see, the CPL feed plugin APK has been downloaded successfully, and once this CPL feed plugin APK has been installed successfully, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. So your device file manager is present over here. Just open the file manager application, and in the file manager application, just go to the downloads. As you can see, in the downloads we have CPL feed plugin APK. Just click on the CPL feed plugin APK. It will give you a prompt saying that do you want to install this application. Just click on install. It will take a couple of seconds and it will install successfully. Once it is open, just go back and just go to the home screen, long press on the home screen, and again go to the home settings here. And in the home settings of your CPL launcher, just again go to this Google feed. As you can see, display Google app option is present. That means your CPL Google feed plugin has been installed successfully on your smartphone. So there are two different options saying that display Google app and pixel search layout. Just turn on both the options. Well, the second option might not be available on many devices, but anyways, just turn on that option. Now go back and scroll from the left. As you can see, we have the Google feed on our Xiaomi device. This is a very simple process, guys. Just follow whatever the steps I have told and you will be good to go. As you can see, this is the Google feed or the Google Discover feed which we get on most of our Pixel devices, which will help us to experience the latest news and updates related to our Google account or customized or personalized to our Google account. It has all the news, analysis, weather in our location and many other things. And another brilliant thing about this customized Pixel launcher is that you can customize this whole launcher as per your requirements. So there are a lot of options that is present under the hood. If you long press on the home screen and click on the home settings, and here you can find a lot of options with the help of which you can customize as per your complete requirement. As you can see, I have set my layout to this particular layout because I like minimalist layout, and also I have set the dark mode on the system, and when I just swipe to the left, the whole Google Discover feed also will be present in dark mode. So this is a very cool feature. So just go to the home screen and go to the home settings and just go to themes. When you go to the themes, you can see there is the dark theme and apply theme to settings, and auto theme depends on chosen wallpaper and something are present. Just click on icon pack and you can download any icon pack from the Google Play Store. I generally use Pixel icon pack on all my Xiaomi devices, and then I will just select the Pixel icon pack and it will tell that the Pixel icon pack is applying, and it will get applied successfully to whole system. As you can see, your whole system completely looks like stock Android. I have decreased the size of the icons, I have multiple home screen, I have the Google Discover feed, and I have the app drawer, and I have dark mode everywhere as well. So this is how you can set the Google Discover feed with the help of the customized Pixel launcher. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.